Hello, gorgeous. I hope you are doing great today. I am very excited because I finally received my Valentine's Dior Beauty order and I can't wait to share you what I got. And it includes a gift with purchase that does not require any minimum purchase or any promo code. So stay tuned because you will love it. We have so much to unpack, like literally in this box. I have three Dior orders. They're small orders and I'll tell you exactly why I end up placing three orders versus just placing the order all at the same time or all in one order. So this is from my Valentine's season order. So oh my gosh, it's already a month since Valentine's Day, so I've waited for this package for the longest time. Okay, so I shipped this to my friend. So we have the first package, Valentine's Day box, very pretty. Let me put this down. We have another one here, gorgeous. And the smallest one here, it's the one we're gonna open first. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is super cute. This is the first time I received this specific gift packaging and I think it's super cute. Oh my gosh, so this is the first order I did, and again, it's just one item. It's the smallest order, so let's check it out. So here's what's inside. We have a box, and is that it? A lot of fillers. Let's go with the free items because this is less than $100. It did not have any deluxe sample, but all I have here in this small pouch is Miss Dior EDP. Ta-da! And I don't know how to pronounce that. I think it's Bois Talisman. Talisman. There we go. And let's see. I just put enjoy for the message. I keep all of these because every time, you know, there's an occasion and I'm gifting somebody or re-gifting, I want it to be like complete packaging. Okay, so this is the item I got. I've been wanting this for a while and I finally had a chance to purchase it. I'll tell you why I purchased this separately later after I open the second box. So this is the item. So if you've been watching my videos, you know, for a while, you know that sometimes I don't really like using false lashes. Right now I'm using false lashes and I could already feel that it's kind of irritating my eye, and when it kind of like pokes somewhere here, it feels like it triggers my allergy. I have a very old lash curler right here. This was a gift from my friend, I think back in, oh my gosh, this is very long time, maybe like 2017, 2018. So this is the only eyelash curler that I have, and it scares me now because I feel like the edge will kind of get my skin. So I don't know if this works better. I will let you know when I use it. I'll do a get ready with me soon and do a little chit chat with you guys. But yeah, so this is the first item. I thought it would come with extra rubber, but this didn't. So I don't know if that's a mistake or they don't really put extra rubbers now. So that's the first item. By the way, if you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I am very dedicated to helping you maximize your Dior Beauty shopping experience. So if you love Dior Beauty, please subscribe if you haven't yet because you don't want to miss any great Dior deals. And also, please like this video so many more Dior Beauty lovers can find it and enjoy the same perks. Alright, let's go back to our unboxing. Alright, let's move on to the next one. A little disappointed that this did not come with a ribbon. I mean, this box is gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love pink lately. And yeah, I love this design, but it's a little disappointed. No box. Have message here. Same thing. I just wrote enjoy. Very generic. And ta-da! Let's get to it right away. So the small item I ordered in this one is a new brush, and this is for the lids. Let's see. This is large eyeshadow blending blush number 23. Okay, so I don't have this brush yet. And the reason I purchased these two items is because one of you commented that I review on the tools, the brush and the tools. And so I already have a set from my very first Platinum Loyalty Welcome Reward. And so I thought I would add a couple more so I could have a better review for you guys. So watch for that video. I'll have that very soon. So this is the only item I bought for this specific package. Let's check out what sample I got here because I honestly don't remember. Okay, I have two LCP. One is Lucky. You already know how this all look like. And I have one Dior. Awesome. And ta-da! This is the reason why I did two separate small orders. This is the second order reward or welcome gift. And I know one of you asked how to get this specific item, so here we go. It just so happened that one of my account, my business account, the luxgiftsinternational@gmail.com, was downgraded to Pro, like the very first step. And so I found out that if you place your second order, you will receive this item regardless how much. So with no minimum purchase, you just have to have a second order and you will receive this set with mini lipstick and ta-da! A silver mirror. Awesome. This is a great material. So you have the Canage pattern and the Dior label right there. So beautiful. And as usual, they like giving this away. And this is, oh, actually this is different. This is 720. Awesome. So I want to be careful. And this is the shade that I got. Oh, this is beautiful. And I don't think I am regifting this. I am keeping this one. So there you have it. If you want to get this specific item, you know, if you're already far in your status and you just got tired because, you know, you're like, for myself, I still need to spend around $700 to get to my platinum. You know, I just got tired working on that one. I thought I'll just go ahead and use my downgraded account. If you don't have one, I think it's worth it to create another one. That's just me. I'll stop from here though, because I'm not very interested in receiving the puzzle, because that would be the next welcome gift for silver. Not very interested with that unless it changes in the future. Then I might just continue with this account versus my personal account. So this one is actually from my business account. And for me, it's okay if you would want to create a new account. I don't think it's double dipping. They changed the rules. And so the only thing we can do is take advantage of it by receiving the welcome gifts from the very first step. So in this case, I am Pearl, second order, got this for free, no minimum purchase, no promo code. So this is awesome. Alrighty, so that's it for the second package. Now let's move on to the third one. By the way, did you notice my sweater? This is my Michael Gerard sweater. I already washed it and it washed great, by the way. And look at that. This is vintage, but it is in awesome condition. I love it. If you haven't seen that unboxing, I will link it in the description below so you could watch it too. I've been waiting for this one because we went on a vacation a few weeks ago. As you know, we went to Arizona and I wanted to use the gift with purchase I got in this order. And this one, let's open it. I want to be careful, but I keep ripping them. Oh, I already did, so let's go rip it, right, and enjoy life. Okay, so this one has, ta-da, this specific gift with purchase. Oh, I didn't expect it to be a terry material. So this is a terry material, like a towel. So perfect for summer, for the beach. I was hoping it would fit my notebook, but actually it might not fit my notebook. That's what I intend this for. But I like the color, and also this specific style is what they're doing with, you know, with a tote bag. So and it doesn't say beauty, so it could be easily just be like one of the boutique item. So there we go, lined with the branding, of course. And I know one of you said that this is going to be uncomfortable as a wristlet, and that's for surely uncomfortable. It's super small. The material is also terry, so it's like towel material. So this is just to hold it this way. So perfect for the beach, perfect for poolside. So there you have it, love it. And this is still available for minimum purchase of $100. The promo code is WELCOMEYOU25 if you're interested. This is awesome. I use my my gold status account for this one, so I could get 2 more deluxe sample. So sometimes you just have to play the game, right? So for those small orders, I use my Pearl account, and for this one, I use my gold account. That way, I could get more of the deluxe samples. And the deluxe samples I got are, and actually when I place this order, these are the only ones available. I didn't have to choose. So, but I love them because this is the mini lip maximizer. Always have these in my bags, and a mini lipstick, and this one is $9.99, so you probably already know that this is the red one. But for those who are new to Dior shopping, let me just show it to you very quickly. So this is the red, classic red lipstick. My mom loved this color, so I am giving this to her. And for the couple of samples I got, same thing, the Cree, Dior, and the Boa Talisman. Alrighty, now for the items that I actually ordered. Very excited about these two, really. One of these I ordered because one of you asked if I could review makeup, foundation, and primer. And for that reason, I ordered the primer. I actually ordered this before the Canada order I showed you the other day with the foundation and concealer. So now I will try the primer. This is the Universal 001, so I'm hoping it doesn't have any color. So let me just try it on my hand right now. Here. Okay, so it is colorless. That is awesome. It feels good. It seems like it actually has a blurring effect, so that's great. So I will include this in my next Get Ready With Me video, so stay tuned for that because I'm gonna be chatty in that video. Next item is this palette. Very excited because I want to start incorporating light cooler colors in my makeup. Oh my gosh, my throat is my throat is at it again, so hopefully it won't be something that's bad because I need my voice. Here we go, very excited. This was featured in the Pink Mania. This is one of the Pink Mania makeup, and I've been loving this color, the pink and the blue, for my clothing. I never done any color theory consultation, but you know, with doing these videos, content creation, I've noticed, and I think you've noticed too, that this color blue, light blue, cool blue, looks great on my skin. And I noticed the pink as well, the cool pink. And so I'm hoping makeup wise it will be the same. So I'm very, very excited. There you go. Awesome. So those are all the items I ordered, and so yeah, it seems like a lot of unboxing, but really I ordered 4 things. And the reason is that first, for the pearl, I needed to get, or I want to get, this gift with purchase for my second order, and no minimum purchase, so that's awesome. No promo code. And second, I wanted to get this, and this is for your minimum purchase of, again, $100, and the promo code is WELCOME-U25. All right, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions about any of the items that I showed you today, please feel free to comment below. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for spending a little of your time today. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Again, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.